Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. Uno know when time I come for represent, uno know a full effect. Anytime I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. What? Uno know the most electrifying man on YouTube. And look how me go get YouTube real electrify right now. What? So hear me now? Right about now, you know. I see some local blogger. I go around and I post up some local contrary story. So them have it for say, popcorn, I imitate Alkaline. And I want to know what kind of foolishness them big money sit down and it come like them not have nothing for interested to talk to them subscriber about. So them ready for call up the man name. I talk about how much popcorn I imitate Alkaline. You know what I mean? And I see man all play back some local tape from way back when and I try to demonstrate to people. Let me tell you something, people. Yo, you see when you start the truth, not even debate you ever get, man. So all if somebody all ask you, yo, are you move that thing there? Cause them love argument. Yeah, man, me move it. Let me see what next year I go say. You know what I mean? Cause I'm not going to hide now nothing. I tell you, yeah, me move it. All argument done there, so you don't have nothing more to say. You understand me? So, here we go on now. After Alkaline, you know, pirate everything where him get from vybz kartel. Him pirate the name Vendetta. vybz kartel are the first artist ever say Vendetta out of him mouth. And him pirate the name Vendetta. Him pirate the man's style and the man pattern and how the man pose and take picture all a pine pan him shoes and all kind of thing. Him pirate the man extension. Him pirate the man tattoo thing, bleaching shit, all kind of thing. Him copy the whole of vybz kartel thing. You know what I mean? For boss. You know what I mean? I'm going to show CMR say. And a lollipop thing me I talk about. Vendetta belongs to Kartel. A Kartel are the first dancehall artist you ever hear say Vendetta out of him mouth. And the local boy take it and turn it in him name. And none of you not talk about that. But me I make you hear it. Drop my big bad song.
Carleone Productions. Told them. Kartel. Time low. Smith said. Vendetta. Up to the time.
Yo, stop that and play it back again, you know, cause probably them not here, you know what I mean?
Time low. Smith said. Vendetta. Up to the time. Port more. Round to the hour. Timeless. Time after time. No. Inna me call tonight, no. Me inna me clothes fitting class. Me shoes no cheap like chicken parts. Check out me Valentino summer shots. Moschino button shirt with the heart. Fendi glass cast, 80 Dutch marks. Me bigger never prevent me a pass. Who that tell you them? Them have me inna them thoughts. Baba blue and them call a axe. Who is vybz kartel? And they making recommendation and remarks. Some say me ugly like
Yo, pull up that again. Watch. Yo, we Alkaline there them time, yeah. Who did know Alkaline? Him born yet? Eh? Yo, pull up this one more time, make the boy CMR hear this. So boy CMR, I want you tell me who invented that talk or who for one. Well.
Inna me call tonight, no. Me inna me clothes fitting class. Me shoes no cheap like chicken parts. Check out me Valentino summer shots. Moschino button shirt with the heart. Fendi glass cast, 80 Dutch marks. Me bigger never prevent me a pass. Who that tell you them? Them have me inna them thoughts. Baba blue and them call a axe.
Who is vybz kartel?
And they making recommendation and remarks. Some say me ugly like rubber sparks. Some say me a the best them come across. Me legal firearm a fiberglass. So no rush me with no knife or ass. This plus me equal the life of us.
Who them say start well? Lock down the chart well. Put copper to them heart well. Watch. Pull up that. At the general, the 10-star one. So CMR, the whole of vendetta. You hear me? A imitation. A cartel force a vendetta out of mouth. And him run go take the man thing and turn it na him name. But you never come on YouTube and tell nobody that. But you ready for say Popcorn a copycat. But watch this. Anytime I shoot up this on YouTube, them are gonna know which artist say vendetta. So, you know, whole career belongs to vybz Kartel. I only not give him no ratings to that. Oh, shame. Oh, you have the nerve. Eh? You have the nerve. You know what I mean? You don't have the audacity. You know what I mean? I chat up on the mouth. I want to not give the man no credit for him work so him put out. You know what I mean? I want to steal all of the man works and talk. I want to live big and bossy after that. You ever see nothing like that? You have the nerve. Watch. You know every time I represent, you know the thing going on. A loud explosion, you think you can play with the general, the 10-star one. Eh? Where you know about dancehall music, you know what I mean? Remember, hear about it when we live it. And we dream it. And we live it in a real life. And the general, the 10-star one I represent. And I know Gaza people are going to know where the vendetta come from. Out of the world boss vybz Kartel mouth. And they look at you thief it and put it for him name. The general, the 10-star one I represent. Watch. Loud explosion. Oh.